Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General, and I'm going to be the first one to say it. This week at Dollar General is going to be absolutely crazy. So I hope you all are ready. If you're not, the first thing that you need to do to get ready is to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure your notifications are turned on. Hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because all those things are completely free, and it's a free way that y'all can help support this channel. Alright guys, let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so first up, we're going to go over the new clearance markdowns, and this will start on Tuesday, February the 28th. Alright, so for our first new clearance markdown, we have the Christmas storage containers going down to 70% off. Now, these are specific, so make sure that you guys pay attention to the UPCs and the specific products that are on your screen. Not all of the red storage containers are included in this markdown. Alright, next up, we have Blue Star toys going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. Now, I have yet to find any at any of the stores that I have been to, and I've been to a lot of stores over the past 2 weeks preparing for the clearance event, and I still haven't found any. So if you guys have any pictures or any visuals or any UPCs that you want to share, please send them into my email. It's crazycoupons1@gmail.com. Alright, next up we have Super Bowl Party going down to 70% off. Now, here's another kind of a weird category. I know that there are some new Super Bowl items out there, but again, I haven't found them at any of my stores, and I've been to a lot of stores over the past couple of weeks. Plus, I have had friends in other states, checking out their stores as well. So if you guys have any of the pictures of the new Super Bowl items that you would like to send in, my email will be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. So again, this is just a weird category. Now, all of the pictures and UPCs that you guys are seeing on your screen right now are last year's Super Bowl party items, so I'm not quite sure if these are going to go down as well or if these are just going to stay at 50% off. But either way, this kind of gives you an idea of what to be on the lookout for, and of course, always scan the items before you go up to the register. Alright, our next category, we have the Red Dot Home items going down to 70% off starting on Tuesday. Now, a couple of quick notes on this category. Number one, I'm going to try my best to throw together the Red Dot Home visual video for you all today, so be on the lookout for that. I have just enough for a quick little video, but too many of them to put into this video, if that makes sense. So I'm going to try to throw that together today for you all. And then the second thing I want you guys to remember is at a few of my stores, I am seeing new Red Dot Home items come out on the sales floor. So if you guys find any red dots, just make sure that you scan them before you go up to the register to make sure that these are the Red Dot Home items from last year. Now, moving on into our penny list. Keep in mind that this starts on Tuesday, February the 28th. And first up on our penny list, we have Valentine's Day gift sets. So all of those purple tag gift sets, those will be a penny starting on Tuesday. Now, if you guys have not already checked out my Valentine's gift set visual video, I'm going to have that one linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Make sure that you go and check it out if you haven't already. And if you have, maybe you need to go back and watch it again just in case you missed something, all right? Okay, so next up, we have our Valentine's Day candy also going down to just 1 penny starting on Tuesday. Now, most of these items, it's pretty much a giveaway that they are Valentine's Day candy items. However, there are a few that are questionable that the employees might look over. So, I want you guys to be on the lookout for items like this right here. We have the Haribo Gummy Bears. You might find these on an end cap or one of those little pegboards. We also have the Sweet Tart Ropes. These are following Valentine's. And we also have the Nerds Ropes. I found a bunch of those last week. And we also have the Big Pretzels and Cheese Balls. These are following the Valentine's candy markdowns, so definitely be on the lookout for those. I've been seeing a lot of these on the top shelf, so look high, look low, look everywhere. Alright, next up we have our Valentine's seasonal category going down to just 1 penny. So all those cute little stuffed animals, all of the little tabletop decor, wall signs, door hangers, all those things going down to just 1 penny. Also, we have our Valentine's Day socks going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, February the 28th. So definitely be on the lookout for these. I'm still finding them out there, guys. So you really just got to have your eyes peeled and know what to look for. And And then we also have our Valentine's stationery category going down to just 1 penny. So be on the lookout for all of those paper plates and napkins that are Valentine's Day themed. All right, now I told you guys that this was going to be a busy week at Dollar General. So for our next category going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday, we have select light bulbs. Pennying out. Yes, you heard me correctly. Light bulbs going down to 1 penny on Tuesday. So the UPCs and the description and the pictures are scrolling across your screen here of all of the items that will be included. If you all will remember, a few weeks back, these went down to 50% off. And then we actually had one that was included in a sale. It was like buy one, get two for free. And honestly, I was thinking that Dollar General would hang on to these until after the clearance event, but apparently not. Apparently they want to go ahead and get rid of them. So these are pennying out on Tuesday. Be on the lookout. Some of my stores put them in a buggy up near the front by the door, and others have stuck them back in the clearance section. So this should be a fun one to go searching for. Now, we have even more items that are going down to just 1 penny starting on Tuesday. However, while I have a second, while these light bulbs are scrolling across our screen here, I want to hear from you guys. So before you all click off of this video, let me know down in the comment section below, what category of items are you most excited about going shopping for this week at Dollar General? Or what is your favorite penny item? Like, what are you most excited about? Let me know down in the comment section below. All right, now next up, we have some food items. So we have the Bridgeford sliced pepperoni 3-ounce bags going down to 1 penny starting on Tuesday. Next up, we've got the Clover Valley potato chips, sour cream and onion. And then we also have the Clover Valley original potato chips 5-ounce bags. Next, we have the DG Health NutriSure Chocolate Nutrition Shakes 6-pack, as well as the DG Health NutriSure Vanilla Nutrition Shake 6-pack. All right, next up, we have a couple of the Hostess going down to 1 penny. So we've got the Strawberry Cheesecake Baby Bunts 8-count, and then we also have the Heart-Shaped Ding Dongs 8-count. All right, next up, we have 3 of the Hydroxy Cut 12-ounce drinks. So we have the Orange Mango, we have the Berry Lemonade, and then we also have the Watermelon Pomegranate. All right, moving right along, we have the Maxwell House Ready-to-Drink Coffee Cream and Sugar 11-ounce cans, as well as the Maxwell House Ready-to-Drink Coffee Mocha 11-ounce cans. Then we also have the 6-count of Pure Protein Chocolate Salted Caramel Bars. And then last but not least, we have the 6-ounce Boost Rainbow Candy Drink, as well as the 6-ounce Boost Sour Pucker Drink. And I did make a cheat sheet for you all this week with all of our food items. Now, as I'm sure that most of you all know, we have a Dollar General clearance event starting on Friday. And this week, I'm going to have tons and tons of videos, visuals, coupon matchups. I mean, you name it. I have been working my tail off. So y'all make sure that you are subscribed and turn on those notifications if you haven't already. And also, make sure that you guys go and check out the pinned comment down below, because I have already uploaded 2 Dollar General clearance event videos, and I will have them linked for you right down below in the pinned comment. Now, while I have been preparing for this Dollar General clearance event, I've been going through all of my lists, all of my UPCs, all of my pictures, all of the things, I stumbled upon a few penny items. Now, I'm not quite sure when these pennied out. I'm not sure if they're surprise pennies. I don't remember them being on any list, so I wanted to go ahead and include them in this video just in case, so that you guys can be on the lookout for them. And if you find them, make sure that you scan them, make sure that they're a penny before you go up to the register. All right, so first up, we've got the 4-count box of the Keebler's Snacks. Next up, we have the Lance Vanilla Lunch Cookies, 6.6 ounce. We also have the Lance Lemon O Lunch Cookies, 6.6 ounce. We also have the Starburst Gummies Sour Candy Bag, 8 ounces. And then we also have the Icebreaker Mint Cinnamon Mints. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but I wish each and every one of you all good luck with your clearance and penny shopping this week at Dollar General. And if you score, don't forget about your girl. Come back and let me know about it, because I absolutely love hearing what y'all are finding out there. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on at this point. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit the thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.